Alright, hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome. Today we are back at the island. We're gonna be fishing the southern Texas Gulf Coast. We are looking for some speckled trout, redfish, basically anything that swims by. I just got here. Today we're gonna be trying the afternoon bite. Right now the tide is high, so you know the conditions are pretty good. It's a little bit overcast. It's not too hot. Right now I'm trying the bottom rig. There you go. I feel like. Oh, so you can see right here, just in a classic Carolina rig with light shrimp. Let's take a look. Welcome everyone. Okay, I see some bait. Okay, I see some bait over here jumping from their life. Let's see. We got lucky. Hopefully we catch a big speckled trout or red. That would be amazing too. Early today, this morning, I was looking for flounder because the season for flounder. Oh, there you go. It's about to end. Oh, I think they just robbed me. Yes, they did. Oh no, I have it there. All right, it's good to know. They're over there. Yeah, like I was saying, in the morning I'm looking for flounder because we still have probably a week left. No, less than a week. Today is the 27, if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check that real quick. Yeah, 28. So basically until November 1st, that's when they will close the season for flounder. I mean, honestly, we haven't had any cold front, and that's basically what you need in order for the flounder to start moving in. Right now you just have small ones, but I mean still. Oh, I think I got snack. Yeah, I got snack. God damn. Okay. All right, that's not good. That's not a good way to start my day. Let's see, where the hell did I snack? Maybe it's over here. Can I get my? Oh, you started, so yeah. Dang, I just got snack right now. Yeah, I got snack. Ay. Yeah, that's the only thing about fishing from the rocks. There's a little structure underneath, and you can really see. So yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna pop it up, I guess. Make another Carolina rig. There you go. Hopefully, oh yeah, I got. Okay, that's not too bad. I just have to make another leader. I got my swivel. I got everything back. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's why right now I'm using a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader. So in case something like this happened, this main line is 45 pounds, so I know it's not gonna break. So at least I get half of my setup back. All I gotta do is tie another leader with another hook, and that's basically it. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be back with you guys. I already put another hook. As you can see, this one is just a little bit smaller because the other one, they were just biting and rubbing my shrimp. So I want to think that this is gonna help us improve. Look at these beautiful shrimps. Yo, today's shrimps are amazing. They have the perfect size for what we're looking for. Come over here, buddy. Stop jumping. God dang. You have no choice, buddy. You're going on the hook. Alright, so hopefully this time we have better luck. Alright, we downsize a little bit on that hook. And we're back in business, baby. Alright. Let's do this. There we go. I feel the bites. I think they're still in a shrimp. Hopefully, maybe it's a flounder. I feel that they have it. Yeah, I don't feel no tension anymore. Just gonna set a hook. Oh no, I missed it. Okay. Yeah, they stole my shrimp. You see, this is what's happening right now. So I'm just probably gonna put it on the tail. Something's biting down there. All right, it's back in the water. All right, I got something. Nope. They're stealing my shrimps right, left, and right. Oh my goodness. Oh no, I still had it. I still got it. I feel the thumbs, but let's just wait. It's a beautiful day today. Feel some type of structure underneath, so I'm just gonna move. And yeah, I still got my shrimp. Okay, that's good sign. All right, let's keep casting this way. Okay, there's a thumb. There's thumb. Oh, let it go. Then they stole my shrimp. They cut my line? No way. I think they cut my line. No, they stole my bait. Yep. I feel the thumbs. All right, let's do this again. All right, we hooked up, but we got a middle fish. What the hell? All right, I was not expecting this. Oh, buddy. All right. The other way. Hold up. Buddy. Hey. There you go. Well, we were not expecting that, but I guess that counts as a catch. Looks like I got my hook back. Jeez. All right, let's keep going. The bite has slowed down significantly right now, but I mean, it's the middle of the day, so yeah, I'm not expecting a lot of movement, to be honest. Like I say, we're waiting for that later afternoon, evening bite. I think that's gonna be the start of the show today. But it's still fun to come and be around here. Catch just little guys. Goodness, what's going on? All right. suing. Mullet just started jumping. I mean, something's going on over there. Right? Oh well, the bite has completely stopped, so I decided to pack all my stuff, all my gear, and move towards the tip of the jetty because over here at this particular spot, the bite was completely dead, so no thumbs, no nothing. And I mean, honestly, it was the middle of the day, so of course it's gonna be, slower. You have high tides. It's the middle of the day. It was around 1, 2 p.m. So yeah, definitely not the best time to go fishing. But like I say, I was there for the later afternoon bite, so that's what I wanted to try. Normally I go all morning, but today specifically I wanted to try something different. So yeah, honestly, it wasn't really productive to be honest with you guys, at least in this part of the channel. So that's why I decided to move to the golf part, and keep trying, and let's see what happens. Okay, that guy looks like he's hooked up on something nice. We'll see, we'll see. Oh, it's pulling nice. I feel like go red. Oh yeah, nice. Look at that drag. It's pulling some drag over there. It's hooked up in something nice. check this one. Oh, I got something too. Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, I think I'm just snack. Oh, damn it. I thought I had something good. I'm snack. That's the thing about this bottom bricks. Shit. Shit. That's something good right there. Let's take a look. I think it's a jack. Yeah, that's a yak. It's a shark? Oh, it's a stingray. That's why. Right, let's striking. Ah, damn. Yeah, that's the bad thing about using the bottom rig over here in the attics. You just get snagging a snag. Nah, I'm just gonna move to the popper. Yep. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. So right now the bite has slowed down significantly. So I'm trying different methods right now. My popper is still in the water with the live stream. Right now, I was trying this one, this Repel X trap. So nothing with this one. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this shrimp imitation. I'm gonna bounce it out the bottom. Hopefully, this is my last. I still I believe it's like 3 or 4 inches Buddha shrimp. This is my last one. Hopefully I don't get snagged on the rocks. But I mean, at this point, nothing's working. Like I say, it's really, really slow right now. So I'm basically trying a little bit of everything. We'll see what happens. Hopefully this brings us a little bit of luck. And it's just gonna be bouncing out the bottom. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Oh, I think it's a lady fish. Or, nah, I think it's just, it's another needlefish. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this guy's, brother, what you doing? I got everything but the fish. There's a third needlefish. What the hell? I forgot my slime bracks. All right. Let's get fishing. And on today in this needlefish, I got another one. Wow, that's a 4 one. Oh, I think he just took my shrimp. I still got it. That's so crazy. I'm gonna cast it this way. That's crazy. Full, nice and juicy shrimp. Look at these things. Real nice size. All right, let's go ahead and send it. Mr. Shrimp, please bring us a nice trout. Keep a trout. Or a redfish, something we can take home to eat. There you go. All right, let's do this. Hopefully this time it's something we can actually take home. If not, I think it's time to switch spots. Let me go deeper. Oh, I see a sheep's head. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding me. Look at this thing. Oh, shoot. Alright, I'll be back. Jesus. That was a nasty nest. Alright, I think something's checking out my other shrimp. Oh, there you go. Another nettle. Oh my gosh, what's going on today? All we have is nettlefish. What the heck is going on? There you go. He stole my shrimp. You saw that? It's right there. These guys have no mercy. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and put another one in the line. Jesus. All right, guys. So I've seen a lot of little mullets going by, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to cast net with some. I'm just waiting for them to pass again. They're literally passing like right here. Look, they're jumping over there. So I'm gonna try to catch some and use it as a live bait. So hopefully that helps us, because there are just no bites at all. The bite has completely stopped. So yeah, let's improve here. I'm trying to do something here. I'm just gonna wait for the school of mullet to pass again. All right, guys. So definitely the bite has slowed down significantly. It's there's absolutely no bites. It's about 5 p.m. I've been here since probably 12. Yeah, around 12 to 1 p.m. And so far just low. Really small ones and a few basically needlefish, which is really weird. They're not so common. So yeah, not a lot of people's catching fish. I'm still gonna keep going. I was able to cast net some mullet, so yeah, I'm just gonna try my luck with the mullet. It's in the floater, and see what bites it. So let's see how it goes. Alright, guys, looks like we have a little flounder. Hopefully it's a flounder. Oh, no, it's bell hook, a pinfish. Alright, guys, so I decided to change location because nothing was biting up there at the jetties. So I was looking for a different location, and I found this one. It's right at Isla Blanca Park. For those that know the area, it's basically next to the boat ramp. As you can see, it's pretty nice because it's right next to the parking lot, so you can actually bring a little car, little boogie with all your equipment, all your gear, your cooler, and everything. So you don't have to worry, or you don't have to actually carry it up with you like in the jetties. So it was pretty nice. I definitely want to come back to this spot and bring my lights so I can fish at night. And boom, out of nowhere, I got this massive bite and start pulling drag like crazy. As you can see, I have to adjust my drag because it was pulling really hard. At first, I thought it was a big red, but then I realized that it was not. It was something I had never caught before. And at the end, at first I was like, what is this thing? And then I realized that it was a black grouper, a tiny little one. And oh my goodness, these things are powerful. It pulled really hard. Honestly, I thought it was red. These things grow massive. Normally, you find this in open waters, but so for some reason, it was over here on this area. It was pretty shallow, to be honest, and I was using a paddle tail. As you can see, it has this particular pattern on their skin. At first, I didn't know what was it, so I didn't want to touch it because I thought it was like venomous or something like that. But then I check on my apps and I find out I mean, it is venomous, but no, like, really bad if you touch it. So yeah, of course I returned to the water because it was really tiny, but oh my gosh, it was powerful. It was really, really powerful. And basically, this was the last bite of the day. And after that, as you can see, the sun was basically setting down already. And, it was time to go home. I really enjoyed this day. And I mean, definitely want to try this spot again, with, like I say, with the night lights. So, we can check for some trout, some flounder, or speckled trout, some reds or anything, whatever bites, it's fun to come over here. And but basically this was my day of fishing this afternoon. Not a lot of no keepers for sure. Not a lot of production. I mean, like I say, the tide was really high, basically all day, and that doesn't really helps a lot. But I mean, it's still fun. I catch a few species. The weird species day was today. What a day! But oh yeah, thank you everybody for watching. If you're new for this channel, please subscribe and share this with your friends, family members. Just keep fishing, man, and hopefully I'll see you in the next time. Hopefully I'm gonna try to go next week. I'm really busy at work, but I'm doing my best so I can, go fishing and make these videos for you guys. Hopefully we have better keepers, better luck next time. And again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Keep fishing, guys. See you. Bye bye. God bless you.